I
don't know. Try it again, baby.
Step up.
There it is. All right.
I think she wants.
What do you tell her? Good girl? How about you tell her good girl and give her a kiss? Tell her good step up.
Good step up. Can I give her a drink of this water?
No, because that's the water we're playing in. It's not drinking water. When we're done, we'll get her fresh water.
We can get her fresh water. Step up, step down. Girl.
Try going a little lower with your hand. There you go.